Alright guys, welcome back to your 19th I think tutorial, and in this lesson we can go ahead and start building that table. And remember, this table is the one that we want to store the results of our very first formula, our very first predictor. So let me go ahead and I already opened my cPanel. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys me opening it, but I'm going to go ahead and hop into PHP my admin. And once I'm in here, I want to select the database I want to use. And I am working in the database YouTube. Now, again, if we take a look at my code only updates and inserts into a table. It doesn't create a table, so what we need to do is we need to manually create that table. Now, if we hop over my code, it says the table's name is analysis A. So let me go ahead and copy that beast right there, and that's our table name. And now let's count the number of columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this table is going to have 9 columns or 9 pieces of information, and now it's going to ask us for all of those. Crap. So ticker is the company name. This is going to be a varchar, and we'll just we'll make this the primary key, and I think that's right there under index. Now the primary key, remember, is like the unique identifier. And since the ticker, if we look at all the other things, the days increased, the percentage of days increased, they can, maybe share they can share values. So the ticker is the only thing in this table that's going to be unique. So that's why I chose the primary key for that. Now we need to go through all of these, and I actually wrote them down on a piece of paper next to me. So this is what information we're going to have in this table. Days increased. This is going to be the number of days that the stock increased, and that's going to be an integer. You can't have like a day and a half. So the next thing is percent of days increased, INC, and this is actually going to be a float. You can have like 18.5%. Where are you at? Float. So now the only thing I'm going to have for increase is average increase percent, and this is going to be like, does it increase by an average of 2% or 3% or somewhere around there is probably typical. So this is also going to be a float. So now we want to do the exact same things for decrease. How many days did it decrease? And I want to make sure that I spelled that. Yep, days decreased. There we go. Percentage of days decreased. And this is also going to be a float. And average decrease. Oh, that's wonderful. Average decrease percent. Now after this we have 2 more. Why? Well, remember, I made that weird custom thing called Bucky's buy value and Bucky's sell value, so I decided I might as well go ahead and insert those into the database too. Bucky's buy value is a float, and Bucky's sell value is also a float. So now what we want to do is go down here and let's see, save or add. This always confuses me. Okay, should I pick save or add? Save or add? I'm just going to go ahead and hit add, or excuse me, save, and it says that is not a number. What do we have that doesn't make sense? Oh, we need a value for this. I'm just going to go ahead and put 8, and okay, it should be good to go. So save this beast and check it out. We now have a table created called analysis A, and if we look at the structure of it, we can verify, okay, ticker, days inc, 9 pieces of information, it all looks good to go. I'm going to stop the video and make sure that I didn't spell anything wrong, and in the next video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be running this script, and once we run it, hopefully it's going to run through all of these companies, analyze the data from all of these tables, and insert the results into this table called analysis A. So there you have it. That's what I'm going to do. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys then.